Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new chocolate review. And today we are going to review the Amul Chocominis. So this is a nice box of chocolates from Amul. These are milk chocolates, and this product is called the Amul Chocominis, and this is a product that we are going to review today. And let's start off with the review of the product. So first of all, let's look at the packaging of the product. The product comes nicely packaged in a nice plastic container here. You can see that it comes in a nice looking plastic container, and then it has the Amul branding right on top here. It has the Amul branding and the Chocominis branding here. The name of the product is Chocominis, and there are illustrations of the Chocomini chocolates on top of the lid. So you can see this. And moving on the sides there is the label again. There's the Amul branding and the Chocominis branding here as well, and the illustration of the Chocominis is there on this paper as well. Moving on to the other side, they are given the ingredients of the product. Then there's a 100% vegetarian symbol here. Then they have mentioned the nutritional facts around here. And what they have here is the shelf life of the product is 12 months. Again, the shelf life of the Amul Chocominis is 12 months, which is good. Moving on, the net weight of this box is 250 grams, so there are 250 grams of chocolate here. And the price is rupees 120. So it's priced at rupees 120 for 250 grams of chocolate, which is very reasonably priced and very nicely done by Amul here. So this is a nice pack to have at home, like whenever you want to indulge in a nice smooth chocolate like milk chocolate, you can just pick one and try. So let's go ahead and unbox this box of the Amul Chocominis, and let's do a review of the same. So let's see where is the place to open the box. So yeah, here we have, okay, here open is written, so we just need to break the seal. We just need to push it up. Okay, here it goes. Here. So I'm just taking out the lid right now. And inside the box we have individual packets of the Chocominis. You can see the individual Chocomini chocolates here. So first of all, let's see how many Chocominis did we get in this. So there are individual packets here, so we are going to count how many Chocominis come in the 250 gram box of Chocominis. So guys, here's the box of Amul Chocominis, and we are quickly going to count how many chocolates do we get in this. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have got a total of 50 Chocomini chocolates in the 250 gram pack. So that's a lot for a price of rupees 120. So that comes up to say rupees around 2 rupees a chocolate, so which is very well priced, like rupees 2 or 3 rupees a chocolate. That is very well priced by Amul here. So a lot of Chocominis that have come in the box. So you can see that we got around 50 Chocominis in the box. So let's close it again and let's review the Chocominis once. So guys, we counted out the Chocominis. Now it's time for a taste test. So I'm just going to take one piece of Chocomini here, and we are going to do a taste test of the same. So let's look at the packaging again here. Like, it comes packed in an individual packet along with the Amul Chocomini branding on it. It has used a chocolatey color wrapper. It comes in a plastic wrapper like a toffee. Let's go ahead and unwrap that. So here we go. So guys, this is a Chocomini inside. So you can see it's a nice smooth milk chocolate here in a flower shape. So I guess there are different shapes available and different forms they have made it, and this is in the flower form. So we are going to do a quick taste test of the Amul Chocominis. So here it goes. Another nice chocolatey flavor, but you can't compare the Amul Chocominis to a Silk or the Cadbury Dairy Milk. Definitely not as good as the Cadbury chocolate, but it's a decent chocolate. I didn't like it that much. It's more of like sugar in taste, less cocoa, more of sugar and milk. So I didn't enjoy the Chocomini as much as I did the Amul dark chocolate. Definitely Cadbury chocolates are much better. Cadbury milk chocolates are much better. The dairy milk version of the Cadbury will fare much better than the Chocominis for me. So yeah, like there was too much of sugar and milk than cocoa in it. I feel like little more cocoa in it would have made it taste much better. So yeah, I like the overall packaging of the product, the way it has been packaged into individual packs and stuff. But the taste isn't up to the mark. Like I didn't enjoy the Chocomini's taste as much. So yeah, like I would rate it 3 on 5 for the taste of the Chocominis. Like overall packaging is really nice. Packaging, I would give it a 5 on 5 for the packaging. But the taste is substandard and it is really poor. I didn't like the taste of the Amul Chocominis. Like I told you, there's very little chocolate flavor to it. There's more of sugar and milk. So yeah, so overall rating is 3 on 5 that I would give the Chocominis. They are priced it well at 120, but then the quality standards drop. So yeah, that is it. Like I would rate it a 3 on 5 for the Chocominis. So guys, if you all have tried the Chocominis, do let me know your reviews in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you all have liked this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing chocolate reviews.